This 2017 Toyota Highlander is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Toyota is powered by UE all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.5 L211 engine, and has 83,146 miles. Discover adventure in this reliable 2017 Toyota Highlander, spacious, versatile, and ready for every journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.